Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I make content on fun DIY art stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, and without any further ado, let's dive into the video. आज की वीडियो में we are going to make this custom wall hanging. So if you wanna know how I made this, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'll start by taking wooden MDF blank and M seal. तो सबसे पहले I'll make the mixture of M seal. You can take any self-drying clay. अब M seal से I'll make few flowers and leaves and उसके बाद उसको ड्राई होने के लिए छोड़ देंगे. Once all the flowers and leaves are dried, I'll stick them on the MDF piece using some Fevicol. उसके बाद मैं इस पीस पर व्हाइट एक्रेलिक पेंट का एक कोट करूंगी and I'll use pastel colors to paint the base, flowers and leaves. Also guys, इस MDF पीस पर ऑलरेडी कॉर्नर्स में होल्स है so that it's easier to hang. अगर आपके पास सेम MDF पीस अवेलेबल नहीं है तो you can also use cardboard piece or canvas board and उस पर you can follow the exact same procedure. Once done with the base paint, हम इस पर डिटेलिंग्स ऐड करेंगे यूजिंग सम डार्कर कलर्स. जैसे मैंने बेस में पेस्टल ब्लू यूज किया था तो डिटेल्स में आई विल यूज डार्क ब्लू कलर. सिमिलरली फ्लावर्स एंड लीव्स में भी डिटेलिंग्स ऐड करूंगी. Now using a fine tip paint brush, I'll write my name in the center. If you're not comfortable in writing with the paint, you can also use permanent marker. By the way guys, if you happen to recreate this piece, then do share with me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. I'll also add some black paint on the edges to give final finish. Once painting is done, I'll apply a coat of varnish. Lastly, I've added a jute rope and I've printed a few pictures. Now I'll simply attach these pictures to the rope using clips, and that's it. My custom wall hanging is ready. Wow! Alright, that was it for today's video guys. I hope video अच्छा लगा. अगर video अच्छा लगा है तो like, share, subscribe, do all the good things that you can, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive, stay creative. Bye.